Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And in this video I am going to tell you 7 libraries that you can use in your Android app to make your app at next level. So let's begin with today's Android tutorial. So our first library is from Kuberto, that is bubble icon tab bar for Android. And this is under MIT license and you can see the preview of this. It has an bubble type tab layout and we can use easily in our Android 4.4 plus. So to implement it you can follow their instruction as given. So for this we have to first generate our personal access token for GitHub and then we have to provide the detail and then you can follow this complete tutorial to get this. And I am also going to tell you alternative of this if you don't understand this method. Next is from Ramotion, that is paper onboarding screen. So in our previous video also I had said you, and this video also I am going to say you because this is very interesting onboarding screen, and if you want to see its implementation then I will provide the link in the description or in comment section. You can follow from there, and all the links of these 7 libraries you will found in the link given below in description. So to add this we need 4.0.3 ice cream sandwich API level 15 or it's greater, and we can make it in our Android Studio also. This is for Android Java language, so we can easily add this. So again you can follow this implementation and you can also watch our Android tutorial on this we had made for paper onboarding screen. Next is Kuberto Liquid Swipe. So this is again a library for our onboarding screen. This will add an liquid animation and this make our user very attract to our application when they first start our application. And the requirement is only just our Android 5.0 plus, and we can follow these steps same to same. Generate our personal access token for GitHub, personal access token details, and then we can follow their tutorial and then we can get our destination, that is liquid swipe for Android. And this is for Kotlin language. So if we are doing it in Android then we have to follow their tutorial. I am going to share you a video link because we had also created a video on this. Next we have is our bottom navigation bar library. So you can see that this is Meow bottom navigation library. So you can use this dependency to create this type of animation in your bottom navigation bar or bottom navigation view drawer or whatever you say. So to create this type of things you can add this method, this library in your project, and this is available for both for Kotlin as well as Java. You can follow this link to get a Kotlin language, but I am going to show you with Java. And you can also watch this tutorial in the last. I will attach a end screen of all these 3 videos. Next we have Ramotion Direct Select. We can add the auto select in our list, so you can see this how it works. So you have to just follow this simple instructions provided by them and we will get this. Next we have Kuberto Flexi tab, and this is again a bottom navigation bar, or you can say animated bottom navigation. And Kuberto says this Flexi tab bar Android, and again you have to generate your access token and all that stuff. So you can follow their tutorials and you will get this animation. Next and last, that is our chip navigation bar. So you can also view our tutorial on this. We had made this, and this is very easy to implement uh, instead of Kuberto tab bar. So this is very easy to implement, and we had also make this tutorial, so you can search in our channel. You will find this tutorial in our channel only. So if you want to use any of this library, then you will find all the links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch our previous tutorials on implementation. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.